Herbs in the pot, giving all I've got. Steam in the glass, I can feel it glide. A recursive soul, making me whole. Fold in the night till the edges roll. Palm on the bow, steady and slow. Gold in the broth, let the deep notes flow. Small little bite, then the whole room bright. Calm journey in every single bite. I've been too loud in my own head. Now I let the quiet get fed. One soft taste, then I reset. Oh, loose pain, I can't carry that yet. Herbs in the pot, giving all I got. A recursive soul, making me whole. Calm journey, every single bite. Calm journey, hold me right. You got that look when the world goes thin. I got that grin when the warmth moves in. Stoneware plate and a spoonful of grace. Slow little blessing in a crowded place. I was split in two, now I'm stitched up neat. Thoughts on the run, now they land on beat. Taste so clean like a dawn-born song. Nothing to prove when the road is long. I've been too sharp in my own skin. Let the soft gold pull me in. One deep breath and I begin. Find that peace where the pulse has been. Herbs in the pot, herbs in the pot. Giving all I got, giving all I got. A recursive soul, making me whole. Calm journey, every single bite. Calm journey, hold me right. If I drift, bring me back to the warm stone, to the track, to the bowl, to the fire, to the hush in my chest, to the place where my peace is rest. Herbs in the